Hi, fourth graders. I promised you guys I would show you how to do this word cloud activity in a video. So I'm going to press on the Monday work and schedule. That's where we found it. All right. On the Monday work and schedule, I'm going to scroll all the way down to writing because that is where I signed it. On this number 4, it says, when you are finished brainstorming, you can create a word cloud with all of the names of people with all of the names that people call you. So we're going to use this website. Awesome. So down here, I can start putting in my words. So I will use this template over here. So what are some words that people call me? Well, people call me mom. And lots of little people call me mom. Well, not lots, but 3. So maybe I'll make that a 3. But you know what? It's important to me, so maybe I'll make it a 13. I'm an aunt, so I get called Aunt Jen. So I'm going to put that there. And how many? I have 3, 6, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13 nieces and nephews. So I'm going to put 13 there. And then I'm also called Mrs. Papillo. And there are 24 of you guys in my class today. So I'm going to put 24. And then down here it says type in a new word. So let's think. I'm also called daughter by my parents. So maybe I have 2 parents, but I also have 2 in-laws. So I'm going to put 4. I am called Mrs. Papillo, mom, Aunt Jen, daughter. I'm called a wife by my husband. So that could be 1. I'm just called Jen from my friends and most of my family members. So maybe that one should be the biggest. Maybe we'll make that 30. Oh, and I did on my last one, I put my maiden name, my name before I got married, and that was Marler. That's a really important name. I was called Marler for 24 years before I got married, so I'll put that at 24 because that's pretty important to me. Okay, I can keep going and writing down different names, but I'm going to stop there. You guys can write as many as you want to put inside of your shape. So now that I have all my names, I'm going to go down to shape and I'm going to pick one. Just one that I find fun and maybe even something that describes me. I'm doing names, but I mean, maybe there is a picture that could describe that a little bit. Or if I see something that I especially like, or something that's on my list of likes, I could write that. Let me see. I'll do a tree, kind of like for a family tree. How about that? All right, so I picked the tree. I can pick a font if I'd like. So maybe we'll do Slacky. And then layout, I think I'm just going to do random. All right, and when I get all of those choices, I'm going to come over here to this red visualize button, and I'm going to press the visualize button, and it's going to take a minute to pop up. But once I press this visualize button, all of my names are in my tree, so I love it. Okay, so now I'm ready to share. It makes it pretty easy because there's actually a button called share, so I'm going to press that. In order to put it inside of the discussion, I want a link. So I'm going to press link and it says copy to the clipboard. Yes, I definitely want to do that. All right, so it says it's been copied and then I can close. All right, so I'm going to go back to my checklist and it says post your word cloud to the word cloud discussion. So I'm going to press that. That's number 5 on the list. And that's where I'm going to see upload your word cloud here. Watch the Zoom video again to see how you can upload. Well, I'm making that Zoom video right now. So in order to reply, I'm going to hover over this reply button and press on it. And that big box comes. And then remember, I copied that link already. So I'm going to go find this link. This is my link to URL button. This one's going to be a really popular one for us to use this year. So I'm going to press that. And now I can press the control, the CTRL and V paste button. and that'll paste it in. Or if I forget how to do that, I can right click and then I can go up to paste and it'll paste it in. Either one of those works. So then it'll insert. And when I'm finished inserting, I can just hit post reply and then it is back down there. And look, oh, this is called test student because I was in the test student mode. So now my reply though is there, and when I click on it, my tree is there. All right, so have fun with this, and you can use the Word Art website to do some pretty cool things. All right, I'll see you guys later.